Hello guys, today we're talking about how to make a call to Skype application. This may be your first time using Skype and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. So we go into Skype, go to the Calls tab. Here we select the user to who we are going to call. The data are taken from the contact book on or phone. Skype may not be installed on everyone. Such users have a gray phone icon. Those who have it installed have a video camera icon next to their name. This is it. If you're wondering how to make a call to Skype application, this is the easiest way now. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.